Woo! I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and I have just received a very important box. This box. Inside this box is a Stage 1 performance kit for a Predator 212. I went with a Go Power Sports one. It should give me a couple extra horsepower and a little bit more torque. I'm really excited to put this on the cart because I like going fast. So I already have a couple of performance mods on the cart, but it's going to be nice to round out the list with like an air intake and bigger jets and all that kind of jazz. So let's go get the cart and get to work because I want to slap this thing on and then get right to test. You haven't done this in a while. Okay. Let's go get the cart so we can slap this puppy on there and get to testing. Oh, that was windy.
Steven is an illegal. He's an illegal.
Alright, we have achieved go-kart.
There are illegals in my yard.
What? Alright. Nice. Okay, so I'm not actually going to show you guys like a full install video. There's much better videos on the internet for that, but I will let you know if I run into any hiccups. But to just summarize what we have, K&N air filter, a couple gaskets, and the jet. We also have this nice piece. This is the adapter. It has global positioning sensor inlaid into it. Not sure why they did that. Dust boot and the vent clip. Choke bracket. Yeah, there it is. I know things. I'm smart. Are you on drugs? Alright, I understand that my time-lapse angles are not the best, so I wanted to show you guys this before I threw the dust cover on it. Look at this filter. This thing is beefy. So I got it on there. It's pretty good. Here's the dust cover, and whoosh. Nice. I wonder how long that'll be legible. Confidentially, that took actually a lot longer than I expected. Go Power Sports makes it so that this thing fits on pretty tight, so that took like 5 minutes. I think we're just about done, except that I don't actually know what these gaskets are for, so I'm probably gonna find out the hard way. Hey, also, by the way, I'm gonna put links to everything that I bought down in the description because honestly, that was extremely easy. I think we're ready for a drive. Just one thing before we do, you might have noticed my straight pipe has an addition now. I got a muffler for the cart because it was just atrociously loud.
Carry the boats, carry the logs.
What does that even mean?
You're gonna use air to fill the tires.
Yeah, I got the air pump for y'all.
You should hire a smarter.
That's actually not smoking.
Because your blade's dull.
Yeah, that's probably fair.
No.
Beautiful.
Joseph, touch the end right there.
Yeah, give it a
with
little
your finger.
Look how straight that is going. I've lost all faith in humanity. It's not straight.
Steven.
Which way is straight?
This way.
It's that it is straight.
Like you just made it not straight again.
It's not straight.
Here, give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh, I see, I see, I see.
Right. No.
Yeah.
Why do I have to hold the phone?
Give a little slap.
Yeah, boy.
No, you're just making it loose. All right, stop.
Can I hit it one card?
No, it's fine. Look at it. It's good. Right there.
Okay, Dad. You're not a real dad.
How did you know?
You're not my real dad.
You're not a real dad.
Wait, do that again.
That is very
Dude, that like
hard,
bounces
bro.
off. Dude.
It's so weird.
Yeah, that's so weird.
Bro,
What?
Why does it do that?
It's so stinking hot.
that it like
It boils it underneath so there's vapor coming.
Yeah.
And then I can't sit down.
Dude, I only rode it like up and down
I
and
know.
back.
If you ride that all day, it's gonna like
blow up.
maybe.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I like where this is going. Okay.
We're gonna
Now-
warp the thing.
Yeah, you're gonna warp it like straight up if you dump that
Yeah.
entire thing on it. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of cool though.
Yeah, I'll dump a little bit of it out.
Pour one out for the exhaust.
Oh. Okay. Review time. Let's talk about the Predator Stage 1 kit that I put on this thing. So, I don't think I actually told y'all everything that I did here. We're running the air filter setup and the exhaust with the muffler, valve springs. The governor is not fully removed right now, but we are running a half removed governor pretty much is what we're running. The interior governor is not removed, so thinking about removing that, but I have to tear down the engine. So it's a pretty tame setup, all things considered, but it should be making about 7 to 9 horsepower, which is definitely enough for this little frame. I mean, it was enough to rip apart Tommy's welds the last time we were riding it, and yep, that's cracked down there too. So the power is good and fairly reliable, but my one complaint is that this engine used to start first pull every single time. It doesn't do that anymore. The parts actually, you know what? Actually, the cart's been sitting for like a month. Let's see how many pulls it takes to start it. Oh, okay, and okay, well, I just broke this. Poop. All right, so the finish line is what, here? Take off my watch. This is the start and finish. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, he's two-wheeling. Wow! Ooh! Easy there! You did the loop in 20 seconds. That's actually pretty gnarly. Yeah, that dust boot is doing a pretty good job, actually. And that's gonna be it for this video, I think. Also, the tractor in the back, I don't know if you guys, yep, that's Tommy's tractor. I am storing it for him, in case anybody was wondering. I don't think anybody was, but there you go. And that's gonna be it for this video. Just installing the kit. It went on really easy, and it's really just, these little single cylinder engines are so much fun to work on, and I really enjoy doing it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and I shall answer them. If you guys are looking to get a stage 1 kit for your go-kart, I'll link all the products that I used in the description. And yeah, go check them out. Really, I think this is really worth it if you're wanting to get more power for your kart reliably and you don't want to spend like all of your bank account. I recommend, because this thing is so much fun now. Like, it was sketchy before, but now that I've made it safer, it's genuinely just a lot of fun to ride. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, you can take it up with our HR department. They are on Instagram at @thepapertigeryt, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone, and bye-bye. Idiot.